So, this is how to convert pictures to JPEG fast and easy. Find the image you want to convert and right-click on it. You'll see Edit with Paint in the menu that pops up. If you don't see it, look for Open With and hover over that instead. Paint should be in there somewhere. Click it. Paint opens up with your image. Click File at the top left, then Save As. You get this little sub-menu with different formats. Click JPEG Picture. Now you pick where to save it. The original file stays in its original file format, and this one will be saved as JPG. Hit save and you're done. Got a bunch of images to convert? Photos app works better for that. Click your image, then those three dots in the corner. Pick Save As from the dropdown. Change the file type to JPEG. Pick where to save it and click Save. Next image, same thing. Three dots. Save As. Pick JPG, save. Don't want to deal with desktop apps? Online converters work too. Search Image to JPG Converter in your browser. Pick any free site. Most let you drag your file right onto the page. Make sure it handles PNG to JPG if that's what you're converting. Upload it, click Convert, download the result. JPEG keeps your photos looking good without huge file sizes. That's why it's perfect for pictures. Just know that if your image has a transparent background, JPEG turns that transparent part white. PNG keeps transparency. JPEG doesn't. That's how you convert any picture to JPEG format on Windows.